Microsoft for pag tum gang hata job opportunities ni wangaya. TCS ni Tata Consultancy Service one of the biggest and most successful consultancy service in India. Ani roni offering kani to top the salary offer wang maya attractive so hage incentive parameters aga hage putang Google wang de ni Google go na thai bang phun de MNCs ko tanta gang hata experience go na kum gang hata salaries forget about salaries atong last job hata ni incentives parameters it is very good. So atong incentives monthly tonton so ina ton tha atong monthly incentives ain do mama pu boy heng tom mama pu tong like compare tha it is 3-4 times ni ti khro mainland India khro ain do mam panga they are very conscious about savings ani hokom khe phangalo piwai lo ni plus credit cards Citibank ra in terms of like silauti me tha atong expenditure swaps so ngan lo rap salary part ti ngam putung condition kho ta khan lo ti ai finance za ma tong nai saving is nothing but a discipline ni nang saving so labam khon to you don't have to take loan ni even 5 years don lam ta nang saving katen na si so labam khon to anytime nang wa tonim ga or the day comes when the opportunities opens for you nang kuma ilai na khaton tung condition na when it comes to saving it's not about saving money in your account there are different way to save ni at the same time nang SIP so am ho let's say minimum 100 sulao tho ngam pang 500 so tho or some in terms of thousands some in terms of lakhs SIP sulao maya nang zip na bam se nang boy hang tong na bam se club ta na bam se it is compounding your money very slowly ni mato nang tong saving habits are nai tho after 5 years you could be a difference atong personal experience ai tong cham bam pu now he's a property what about me where are all my money gone I realize na bam de so if I'm to go back to that person I will whisper him, please do some saving.
Okay.
If you have that patient, nang zip zong khosin sa ero en chi nga thangam ko matuang lungning nai ta start your own thing ni. If you don't know how to start it, like me, ask from someone else ni. And if you don't have the money, don't worry. Business starts ni maya sien ni starts from tong ram ge. It doesn't start with your own ideas also. Ki sien nine starts ngam mani sai noi confidence me anam ni sien money starts no dai na sai salam ni there are many fields where you can start without money just solve your brilliant ideas alone so nang tung ideas nang practical so na tom pangam di weta don't die with your ideas ni if you can really channel that into something don't worry just go ahead and start and fail if you fail it start again
Okay.